Some of IPOB members don't come outside. The contour say why Simon Ekpa go bring the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu video where in talk they motivate and they talk to him people. Say na propaganda in they do. No be smart, you know, my people. Let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Let's find out how this thing take they happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here I will bring you update as if they hot to. You know wetin dey happen for inside the country where would they as this one they go on. They say that during the new year broadcast at the new year this thing where Simon Ekpa give, he come bring one video where be say katakata and katakata come dey everywhere for social media. People come dey talk say na you dey do propaganda, say no be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of things don't go on, a lot of talk don't come outside concerning this particular issue. But however, we still bring the video come up and make people put mouth for this matter. Let us know your own opinion, your own stand for this video. What we go show you right now. Watch the video and before we come back and continue
on the journey we have undertaken together. Despite physical distances, our collective spirit binds us in the pursuit of justice, freedom, and self-determination of Biafra. In 2019, in September 2019 to be precise, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told the world that Biafra has come. And everybody, including myself, we're all happy about the pronouncement of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in 2019. And I would like to take us back to this particular pronouncement of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
This particular pronouncement of Biafra has come was part of the propaganda for Biafra, a positive propaganda for Biafra. After that, he was kidnapped in Kenya in 2021. We are still here putting up the Biafra government structure together. We, the educated ones in the Biafra liberation, understand Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pronouncement of Biafra has come. And of course, including his pronouncement in the same 2019, when he called off the boycott of the election between the PDP and other political parties, when P2B was running as a running mate to Atiku Abubakar. In that announcement, our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, Biafra is sealed and delivered. Those of us understand the positive propaganda in this particular pronouncement. Today, we have said similar things, and those IPOB Nigeria whose agenda is to form and use IPOB as a political pressure group have used our positive propaganda announcement as a tool which never worked for them. I just decided that in the speech of 2024 New Year, I will make references to this disgraceful act of uneducated nincompoop who have almost destroyed the effort of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for over 30 years. What the Biafra government is doing today, for those who care to know, is the process of declaration of the restoration of independent state of Biafra. My fellow Biafrans, in 2024, the Biafra government, from this day, the first day of January 2024, the Biafra government has officially adopted the 10th declaration of the restoration of independent state of Biafra. This is because Biafra has initially proclaimed its independence in the relative recent past and lost after 3 years of genocide. So officially, from this day, our liberation is for the declaration of the restoration of the independent state of Biafra. This type of declaration we have adopted in 2024 may be found among the Declaration of Restoration of Independence, which restored independence that was initially proclaimed in relatively recent past, such as the Lithuania Act on the re-establishment of the state of Lithuania, the Lithuania Act of 1990. I want everybody to understand that whatever we do is based on international law, and everything that other nations have done, we are using multidimensional approach for Biafra. It is the only thing that will break the camel's back of Nigeria. And it has worked for us in 2023. Now we are stepping a bit further. In 2024, it is going to be Nigeria crashing and leveling to pieces. Though it is debatable, however, whether we are going to call our declaration a declaration of independence or it is just a restoration. At this point, we have decided to officially adopt the declaration of the restoration of independent state of Biafra. I want everybody to understand that this is very, very important. This particular term is very, very important in 2024. Do not misquote it. Do not misuse it. Do not quote any other thing, any other declaration of Biafra that is not this particular one. And I want to make it very clear again. We have adopted officially the declaration of the restoration of the independent state of Biafra. Further, a few declarations, such as the 1976 proclamation of the Sahrawi Arab Declaration or Democratic Republic, Western Sahara, proclamation of 1976, commit the emergent state to the armed liberation of its people, as well as support for other liberation movements around the world. Biafra, on this day, 1st of January 2024, has also adopted this Liberation Act and tactics. And we also, furthermore, support every other liberation movement around the world, in accordance with the international law and accepted standard of freedom fighting. We believe that Biafra government strategic template offers a nuanced understanding of how Biafra seek to gain international recognition in 2024. The Biafra government strategies moves beyond assumption that we are only seeking to delegitimize Nigeria terrorist state within Biafra land. No, it is beyond that. But we want to convince the international community or some countries to recognize our independence. It is not just about delegitimizing them. Furthermore, in 2024, we will start the process of legitimization of the Biafra government within the Biafra land and within the international level. Fellow Biafrans, just like in the past or in the post-Cold War era, Institutionalizing and commitment declaration shift the focus from the host state to the capacities and commitment of the emergent state. Time flies and things have changed. Such declaration focus on the institutional capacity of the new state and how its creation would positively contribute to the achievement of interstate cooperation and regional stability. My fellow Biafrans, Nigeria as a failed state today has become a serious threat to humanity. And we, the good people, must end Nigeria at all costs. Thousands of people, if not millions of people, will die on both sides. But at the end, we will end Nigeria and save over 200 more million people and save Africa from Nigeria criminal and terrorism influence. And at this
yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear everything where Simon Ekpa talk for this particular video, so many people don't talk puto. Some IPOB members where they for US side, they don't come outside talk say why Simon Ekpa is he trying to blackmail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and what is he trying to do? Now we say no, this one will still bring and come out, go show our people. May they know wetin they go and may they see wetin they happen, and may everybody drop your own opinion. Please drop your comment respectfully and make sure say you share this video so that people go come inside come talk pool for the matter. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep on pushing our message out there so that people go know wetin they happen, because we dey here they bring you update back to back as it dey hot. Thank you so much for watching.